Students, topic of the video is principle and mathematical induction. This is our fifth lecture on this topic. We proved that 1 by 1 into 3 plus 1 by 3 into 5 plus 1 by 5 into 7 up to nth terms equals to n by 2n plus 1. In the previous sum, their nth term is given, but here we have to find nth term. What is nth term? You see that nth term, first term is 1, in the place of second term this is 3, in the place of third term this is 5. You see that 1, 3, 5 are in AP and the second term is just more than 2 from the first. So nth term can be written as 1 by 1 plus nth term of this series 1, 3, 5 dot dot, and the second term is nth term of 3, 5, 7 dot dot. So here first term is 1 and common difference is 2. So formula of arithmetic progression, a plus nth term is a plus n minus 1 into d, where d is common difference and a is first term and n is the number of term. So here first term is 1 and common difference is 2, so n minus 1 into 2 into, here first term is 3 and common difference is 2, 5 minus 3 is 2, 7 minus 5 is 2. So 3 plus n minus 1 into 2, or you can take just 2 more than the first term. There you can see that this plus 2 equals to this one. So this one is 2n minus 2 plus 1, that is 2n minus 1, and the next one is 2n plus 3 minus 2, 2n plus 1, or just 2 more than the first term. So in the place of nth term we can write this one. So nth term is 1 by 2n minus 1 into 2n plus 1. Then we proceed principle of mathematical induction. Let this is also our proving part, so proving part is not needed. Actually from this one to proving is starting. Let Pn be the given statement, then P1, for the P1 we take first term of the left hand side, that is 1 by 1 into 3, and we put n equals to 1 in the right hand side. So n 2 into 1 plus 1, so 1 by 3 equals to 1 by 3, 2 plus 1 3. Therefore P1 is true. Let Pk be true. Therefore 1 by 1 into 3, 1 by 3 into 5 plus 1 by 5 into 7 plus dot dot 1 by 2k minus 1 into 2k plus 1 equal to k by 2k plus 1. For P of k plus 1, 1 by 1 into 3, 1 by 3 into 5, 1 by 5 into 7 plus dot dot 1 by, in the place of n we write k plus 1. So 2 into k plus 1 minus 1, 2 into k plus 1 plus 1. 1 by 1 into 3, 1 by 3 into 5, 1 by 5 into 7, plus dot dot 1 by 2k minus 1, 2k plus 1, plus 2k, 2 minus 1, 2k plus 1, and this one is 2k, 2 plus 1, 2k plus 3. Why I write this step? Because if there is 19th floor in a building, then there should be 18th floor. There is k plus 1 step. There is k plus 1 step, so there should be kth step. From pk we see that from first term to kth term the sum is k by 2k plus 1. Then from first term to kth term this sum is k by 2k plus 1 plus 1 by 2k plus 1 into 2k plus 3. Now from these two denominators, LCM is 2k plus 1 into 2k plus 3. So k into 2k plus 3 plus 1. So there is 2k square plus 3k plus 1 by 2k plus 1 into 2k plus 3. Now LCM of this factorization of these two, 2k square plus 2k plus k plus 1, the denominator 2k plus 1, 2k plus 3, 2k is k plus 1 plus 1 into k plus 1, 2k plus 1 into 2k plus 3, k plus 1 into 2k plus 1, 2k plus 1, 2k plus 3. By cancellation these two, 2k plus 1, 2k plus 1, in the denominator there is k plus 1, in the denominator 2k plus 3, this can be written as 2k plus 2 plus 1. So k plus 1 by 2 into k plus 1 plus 1. Now you see that n is replaced by k plus 1. Where is n? And there is k plus 1. Therefore pk plus 1 is true. But without this assumption we cannot proving that part. So pk plus 1 is true if pk be true. Mind it, there is and there is b. B means assumption and is means proving part. This is our mathematical grammar. We use B in the part of for the place of assumption and use is for the place of proving something. Therefore Pn is true where n belongs to n, or you can write for all n belongs to n. Anyone is possible. Therefore by principle of mathematical induction, Pn we have to write this one is here. Therefore by principle of mathematical induction, Pn is true. Therefore 1 by 1 into 3 plus 1 by 3 into 5 plus 1 by 5 into 7 plus dot dot 1 by 2n minus 1 2n plus 1 equals to n by 2n plus 1. Proved. In the next video we discuss another sum on this topic.